We got the garlic here, we got a habanero, and we keep the surface on it. Now we do salt. Pretty much. Okay. Then we take the red wine balls. What do you say in English? Red wine.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Vinegar. Vinegar, yes, right. We got it. Yep. Pour it down there. Fill it all the way up. No oxygen, no water. Just pure vinegar. Like that. And we put the lid on. Now
The other one is best.
the other one is best.
That's better. Yeah.
Yeah, but you got a pocket of air here, up here.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
No. But,
So every day in the start now we have to lift the lid, right?
Yeah,
to
you have
get
to
the
fill-
gases up.
you have to fill a little more vinegar
Little more vinegar. Yeah, and open them up.
until 2 weeks.
2 weeks we open them
maybe
up.
You need some more vinegar.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so that's it. We will get back when we progress more. For today.
Mm.
Yeah. And what else? How long can we store this then?
How long?
Yeah,
that's
that's
a difficult.
years, right? Because if you use some kind of water, you get oxygen in the water, right?
Mhm.
And they can't store as long.
Yeah.
So this is years, 4, 5, 6
Many
years. Yeah,
Oh, many years.
but they're ready to eat and
Maybe after 1 year.
1 year. Yeah, okay. So I have to keep them in 1 year. Keep them dark
Mm-hmm.
in the refrigerator,
Yeah.
maybe?
No, not refrigerator.
Not refrigerator, no. So just in the cabin,
Yeah, in the
some
cabin,
some
so
kind
they-
of
yeah, it's
cupboard. Yeah, okay. Sunlight. No,
light.
not direct, no.
No.
Okay. Okay, I thank you for the tips, man.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great.
Welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you. These are the habaneros, right? Yes. Put the date on.
Thought about this too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stuff